Hello students, so in this video I will tell you about pronoun and kinds. What kinds of pronoun? What I will teach you about kinds of pronoun. So let's begin. So first of all, there are in total 9 kinds of pronoun. What? In total there are 9 kinds of pronoun. So first of all, we have to just learn all their names. So the name of the first is personal pronoun. What? Personal pronoun. So as you can see here, it is personal pronoun. And the name of the second pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. What? Demonstrative pronoun. And the name of the third one is distributive pronoun. What? The third one is distributive pronoun. And the fourth one is relative pronoun. What? Relative pronoun. And the fifth one is interrogative pronoun. What? Interrogative pronoun. And coming to the sixth one, which is reflexive pronoun. What? Reflexive pronoun. And sixth one is seventh one is emphatic pronoun. What? Seventh one is emphatic pronoun. And eighth one is indefinite pronoun. And the last and the ninth one, which is possessive pronoun. What? Ninth one is possessive pronoun. So first of all, we were talking about personal pronoun. What? We were talking about personal pronoun, which is the first one. So when we talk about personal pronoun, as the first was personal pronoun, when we talk about personal pronoun, so we talk about three things. What? We generally talk about three persons. What? We talk about three person. What are those three person? The three person is generally called by people as first person, second person, and third person. Okay, the first person is the person who is speaking. What? The first person is the person speaking. Okay, and the second person is the person who is spoken to. What? The second person is the person who is spoken to, जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं, spoken to. And the third person is the person whom. The third person is the person who we are talking about, whom we are talking about. Okay. So in personal pronoun, we just use three person. We are talking about three person: the first person, second person, and third person. In first person, we are talking about the person who is speaking, and in the second person is the person who is spoken to, जिससे बात कर रहे हैं. I am the person who is speaking, and he is the person who is spoken to. And the third person is the person whom we are talking about, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. And we can use, like, there are many things. Many things means we can use it in singular form. We can also use in plural form. We can also use as a subject. Okay. So like this we can use them. For if you talk about singular, I can use if you talk about singular, if I talk about singular, so I am just talking about if I'm talking about, yes, I, she, it. What? I am talking about I, she, it, he, like this. Okay. So I am talking about this. And if I am talking about plural, so it is they, we, will, and if we are showing possession there, so him, her, them, like this kind of things we can use in personal pronoun. Okay, so I hope your basic difference between personal pronoun was clear. Okay, so now coming to the second pronoun. The second one is demonstrative pronoun. What? The second one is demonstrative. As you can see, demonstrative. Okay, in demonstrative, what we talk about? In demonstrative, we just point out something. What? We point out something. What we do? We just generally point out something. Like, if somebody is standing here, I will take a live example of that. If somebody is standing here and I am standing here, okay, like this is me, and this is a person who is standing there. So I will say, and a book is kept here, और वो उस book को लेने के लिए आ रहा है. Okay, and I will say to him, this is my book. I will point out on my book. And I will say, this is my book. What I will say? This is my book. So example will be this is my book. So this is pointing out something. What? This is pointing out something. So this will be demonstrative pronoun here. Okay, so if this book was not near me, it was kept at a distance, दूर रखी हुई है यहाँ पे, and he was trying to take it. So I will say, hey, that is my book. What I'll say? That is my book. That is my book, because we use that for far things. Okay, and we use this for the things which are near to us. Okay, so I will say that is my book. I will say that is my book. Okay, so that is my book. That is my book. So here that will be demonstrative. What? That will be demonstrative. I hope you are not having any doubt in demonstrative. Now we are moving to distributive pronoun. What? Distributive. Indistributive pronoun. Indistributive pronoun. Distributive. Indistributive pronoun. What we are doing in distributive pronoun? We are just there are many things kept. Like मानिए वहां पे बहुत सारी टॉफीज रखी हुई हैं. Okay, there are many toffees kept there, and I am saying though each of the toffee is of black color. Each of the toffee is of black color. When we refer, when we refers to one out of one out of many. When we refers to one out of many. When many things are there and out of many things we are referring to only one thing, then it will be called as distributive pronoun. What is the example? The example is each of the cars was of red color. What? Each of the car is of red color. What? Each of the car is of red color. So each, here each will be distributive pronoun. What? Here each will be distributive pronoun. Okay, so each is referring to each red car. कि जो हर कार है that is of black, that is of red color. Okay, so distributive pronoun is as simple as it was in demonstrative pronoun. Now coming to the next pronoun, which is relative pronoun. In the pronoun relative, what? In relative pronoun, what we do? Generally we connect. What? We connect two statements. What we do? We connect two statements. Like in relative pronoun, two statements are given to us, or we can say two sentences are given to us, and we have to connect them. What? Like this is the one sentence and this is the one sentence. With the help of relative pronoun, we have to add them. What? We have to add them. Look, I will take an example of that. These are the people who love to work hard. What? These are the people who love to work hard. Who love to work hard. Okay, so if this is the example, these are the people who love to work hard. So these were two statements. The first was these are the people, and the second was love to work hard. And who in relative pronoun जो words होते हैं जो connect करते हैं, those will be from W family. WH family words होते हैं. क्या होते हैं वो? They will be called WH family words. I hope this statement is clear to you. WH family words are those. Okay, so relative connects two statements. These are the people who loves to work hard. Okay, so this kind of this kind of pronoun will be used, and it will be termed as relative pronoun. Like we can also some examples like this is the boy whom I see daily running in the morning. This is the boy whom I see daily running in the morning. So this was also an example of that. I hope this video is clear to you. In this video, I have told you about personal pronoun. I have also told you about demonstrative pronoun, and I have also told you about distributive and relative pronoun. In the next video, in the next part of this video, I will explain you about the others. Okay, I will explain you about the other 5 which are remaining. So thank you for watching this video. If you have understood all the concept, you can comment no doubt. If you have any doubt in any topic, you can ask your doubt. Okay, so thank you students. Bye bye.